morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 20th of July, 2020, about 9:15 a.m. Central Time. Yeah, I'm back from the hospital. My leg's all bandaged up. Actually, it's the foot. Had to have a foot operation. Not fun with the stitches, but I'm fine. So, in looking at the markets, the silver market has taken off to the upside. Gold up, but not running like the silver market is. You're also up nicely in the copper market, the platinum, the palladium markets. The dollar, stable. That's the best word I can give. Eurocurrency down a little bit. Remember, they're putting together that deal in Europe where the head of the 27 nations that make up the European Union are putting together a package plan for the southern states. Now, 4 of the countries are really pushing hard, and this will be a very, very difficult go. My understanding is the deal's done, so it's to buy the rumor, sell the fact, and we'll see just what the details turn out to be as the day goes on. But overall, they'll probably get something done. The problem is it won't be that boom thing, and that's what Europe does. It never does that boom thing the way that America has done. We still have the bonds and notes getting a bid, a mixed day in the stock market. You have the NASDAQ up, the S&P up, but you got the Dow down and the Russell down. So a mixed bag there. Energy markets are basically lower across the board, with especially nat gas taking it on the chin in a big way. There's just too much nat gas out there. We've had a hot spell. It didn't drive the market that much. Problem. Why is the energy markets on the weak side? Well, I think that you're still looking at OPEC meeting now, and they're going to be cutting back some of their production cuts, which means more oil on the market. And with COVID-19 still not under control and more shutdowns happening in the United States, as you can see, you got problems in California, Texas, Florida, I can go on and on. Just not the best thing for the demand for that market. Now, the news today. As I said, there was no deal. There might be by now. I didn't look at the tape just before I came on here, but I did hear that they reached a deal of some type. I don't know the details of it. There's a meeting taking place this morning between Larry Kudlow, Steve Mnuchin, other parts of the Trump team on figuring out what they're going to do and how they're going to address now the Congress is back in session. What is going to happen in terms of the next relief bill? We know the president wants, forgiveness on the payroll tax. We'll see what else is there. The Republicans want to get $1 trillion done. The Democrats, $3.5 trillion. They're far apart on that. In the UK, shoppers' numbers rose 4.5, but that's not a very big increase. That is the problem. And the year-on-year decline in the week was estimated at 40.2%. So you can see, as countries are opening, while they're coming off the low numbers, it's not a runaway to the upside, and that is what we're dealing with as well. How comfortable are people going out? Do they go out to all the stores? In cities like Chicago, we still have protesters smashing in windows. Ferragamo's, Bloomingdale's, they got smashed over the weekend. Of course, our mayor says nothing about it. She's more concerned with giving the protesters their rights. And the police, unfortunately, they feel the pain because of it. People have a right to protest. They don't have a right to destroy others' property. There's a difference between the two, and I think that's lost in Chicago. All right, as we look at the market research, my research, let's talk about it. The reason I show all these different ways here is when you get our research, you have a handheld operation, so you can use your Android or your iPhone. Got a tablet? You can watch this on tablets. You want to watch my other stuff on your PC? You've got it. I write market letters, 2 a day typically, Monday through Thursday, 1 on Friday, 1 Sunday night. Then, in the mornings, I record my morning subscriber video. In that video, I tell you buy here, sell there. I explain all the details as to what's in my charting course and reinforce everything I teach there with very specific trade ideas. So, when you put it all together, it's a $60 a month value. How do you get a free trial to it? Well, if you haven't tried it, simply call my staff. Go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. Under the word, and you'll see it on the bottom right, free offer. Sign up for the free offer to this. We do check your credentials, and we will give you several weeks so you can see what it is. You'll see that silver trade that I put on last week for my subscribers, one of the good ones. I have losing ones too, believe me. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day, and I will talk to you all this afternoon in our market wrap-ups. Nice to be back. Take care.